And here we come to the service elevators at the Regency Art Hotel in Macau. It's an Otis Lexan. I don't usually film service elevators, but I figure I'd do this for a quick video, and since VF80 Mode 86 has recorded this, if this thing stops on a random floor, I'm just gonna hop off here and stop the video. See if it has classic leveling on this one. Yes, it does. All right, we're gonna get off at 3. Here's your basic stainless steel service elevator. Look at these fixtures. I've never seen these fixtures before. Lexan fixtures. I've never seen something like this. This thing is pretty slow too. I love these buttons. If someone's out there, I'm just going to turn my camera off and get out. We're at 3, watch the button go out. All right, let's get off this thing.